How would you like me to show you how to build a landing page to promote a ClickBank product in a matter of minutes? Well, I'm going to do exactly that today in this video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so today we're going to learn how to build a landing page to promote a ClickBank product in less than 10 minutes. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you have been to this channel before, welcome back. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you are notified when I put out content. I put out videos daily in reference to marketing content. And if you like the content, hit that like button and give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, or give me some, if you have a question, post it below in the comments and I will reply. All right, so let's get on with today's video. And if you have any questions about the product I'm using, Builderall, there will be a link in the description. All right, so first things first, let's go over here to ClickBank. That's what we're going to be using. We want to marketplace, and then we're going to do health and fitness. Health and fitness is one of the easiest niches to promote, and we're going to sort by gravity because gravity is what's selling the best. So we're going to go ahead and open up the 2-week diet. That looks very catchy. 2-week diet, only 97 for 37. Okay, yeah, I like this page. It's pretty good. It's got a little pop-up. All right, so let's run over here. We're going to hit promote. And this is going to give us our own personal link. So whenever somebody goes to our offer, it comes back to ClickBank and gives us the commission tied to our ClickBank account, which is pretty cool. So let's go over here and make a funnel. We'll do a squeeze page funnel. Why not? So a squeeze page funnel is good. What this funnel is going to do is it's going to build me a landing page, and I'm going to point that to a bridge page where I'm going to have a video, and then that video is going to take you straight to the offer. Okay. Okay. All right. So first things first, we're going to delete this because we don't really need that, and we're going to delete this, and we're going to delete this. Move this down. Let's go ahead and edit this real quick. Enter your name and email for the information. It's a little bigger. Let's make it 19. Then we're going to change this. We're just going to put some catchy text. Lose up to 20 pounds. In 2 weeks. This revolutionary diet. And let's change some of this to be blue, just to give it a little bit of flair. 2 weeks with this revolutionary diet. All right, so this is our landing page. All right, so it's pretty simple. Let's change this text on the button. We're just going to say get access. Oops. Get instant access. Instant. I will just say get access now. Get access now. Confirm. And we're going to change this. So I'm going to save 2-week diet. What this is doing is just telling me to save, so I have it saved in my funnel, location. We're going to configure this. We're going to configure it with Mailing Boss, which is Builderall's own autoresponder. So I'm doing all this within autoresponder, all this in Builderall. Builderall has its own autoresponder, its own sales funnel builder, its own website builder, all that stuff, which makes it pretty easy to deal with. All right. So let's go ahead and save that one real quick, just so it's saved. And what we're going to do with this button, no, not this part. We want to change URL. Penny subscribe. We want to go to thank you page. We're just going to put thank you page on all these. And this thank you page is going to take us, confirm, save. All right. So one thing you always want to do is make sure you save along the way. And what's going to happen is when we go over here to the thank you page, let's delete this. Let's throw some text in here. Watch this video to see what people are saying about the 2-week diet. Delete. We're going to say appearance. Wait a minute. No. Text. Get 2-week diet now. All right, so that's that. We're going to go over here to YouTube, and we're going to search 2-week diet review. 2-week diet review. Hopefully somebody's reviewing this right off the bat. 2-week diet review, 3 minutes. Hey, let's go to this one. So here is a woman that is doing a review on the 2-week review. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this link, copy it. We're going to go back to our page, and we're going to jump up here. We're going to configure, and we're going to put this web page, this YouTube link, confirm. We're going to save this. See how easy this is? We're using her video to give us proof. And then when we go over here to action, we're going to go back to sales, because I lost that link. We're going to get our link. All right, so we're going to do web address. We want to take us to this page. Hit OK. And that's it. Save. Save. Done. Then we're going to go back. We're going to close this. We'll just go over here. And we're going to see what this actually looks like. Oops, let's go to my sites. We're actually going to say publish. We're going to publish this 2-week diet. We're going to go to it. And this is actually going to take us to the 2-week diet in real life here. All right. So this is what the 2-week diet looks like. We're just going to use tester 1234@gmail.com. Get access now. It's going to take us to our bridged page where we can watch the video, and then we're going to say get to 2-week diet now, and it's going to take us to this page, and this is where the offer is going to be promoted. All right, so it's that easy, guys. We have just built an offer, and one thing we can do is we can go back to the video that we're over here looking at. We can see a little bit more about her. She's got 20,000 views. It's a lot, right? So a lot of times what they will have, let's go to her channel real quick. Her channel might not be the best one, but, well, it might be. We can go to her channel, go to About, and she don't have any links here. So what'll happen is, here, let's try one more. Let's go to 2-week diet review. See what she's saying. No, she's only got 79 views. 14K views. So a lot of times what I'm doing here is trying to see if I can get a hold of this person to see if they'll put my link in their description for a small fee. So that's what you want to do. You want to find somebody. I'm not going to waste no more time here, but what you want to do is you want to find somebody that has in their About section an email address for business. And what you want to do is you email them and ask them if they would mind if you promoted their link in their description for a week or two for a small fee. And what they'll do is say yes or no, and then you just keep going through a list until you do that, and then that's how you get a lot of traffic driven to your landing page. All right, guys, so I hope you got some value out of this. I thought it was pretty cool. And again, if you have never been to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Give me some likes. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions about this, post them below and I will reply. Again, there will be a link in the description for Builderall. There will be a video link at the end of this video that takes us to a playlist for other Builderall information. But this is how you build a landing page in 10 minutes and promote a product with ClickBank. I hope you got some value out of this, and I will catch you later, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out.